Landed on this video, you're probably like, what the heck? And I am just giving a quick overview of the different courses that I know of out there that I have my own personal experience going through. And I just thought it was really cool to kind of display them and lay them out. So if you didn't catch part 1, 2, and 3, you want to make sure you save this video and then go back to those videos to just get a simple, quick overview so you can make the best decision on which course is best for you. Learn and Earn Profits. This is the course that I market. Now, it is a one-time investment of $497. It teaches you how to build a business online around your passion, marketing, and automation. There is no upsell, guys. There's nobody on day 3, 4, or 5 that is going to call you and say, hey, by the way, you owe me $2,000. I like this course because it is beginner friendly. It's a one-time investment and it is low overhead because you will be using System.io, which is free, and you can use that for free up to like 2,000 subscribers. Now, this course focuses on branding you. It teaches you step by step by step so you can go at it at your own pace. You are going to learn funnel building, email marketing. There is ChatGPT inside that teaches you how to build your email campaign. What I love is it comes with coaching. And of course, if you buy from me, you get 3 months worth of mentorship for free. You will be in a community, and this is lifetime, guys. You are going to be surrounded by like-minded people. We offer Zooms, and guys, the Zooms are just over the top exciting because there's probably a Zoom every day now, from TikTok training to Amazon influencer, how to show up with confidence, motivation, content creation, affiliate marketing. We show you how to create your own premium product, kind of like a digital product if you want to create a how-to guide. Again, you're going to get 100% of the profit because it does have the master resale rights attached to it, meaning you can resell it over and over if you choose. Now, I don't focus so much on the master resale rights. I do have it, so I do get the digital download, and you will too when it's paid in full. I find this is beginner friendly because it teaches you everything you need to know. It teaches you the skill and how to show up. It's easy to market because it is a low investment and you earn your money back right away. So guys, again, make sure you save this video, and I would love to know in the comments what you guys think. And I hope this overview, again, make sure you check out videos 1, 2, and 3. I hope this video helps you to make the right choice of what course fits you. And if you are ready to ditch your 9 to 5, I am always here to teach you and guide you on what you need to start doing to start making money online. So make sure you save this video and make sure you're following me.